Hello, hello. We went to World Market and picked up a few things. Quite a few things. So let me show you what we got. We got some pancake and waffle mix in the flavor of banana caramel. I think these are going to be amazing. And we'll be making these soon, and I will do a review of this product specifically to see how it is. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out. We also picked up a jar of truffle tomato pasta sauce. Truffle has that really earthy flavor, so I thought this would go well with, if I can find them. I got some pasta. I gotta locate it. Oh, here we go. Right here. This is porcini mushrooms tortellini. So we're going to do this and then that sauce. I think it's going to be tasty, tasty. And then also, I got a bag of cheesy onions chips. Sounded interesting. I also got some Rowntree fruit pastels. And they feel through the packaging like they're semi-soft, so they should be a nice little semi-soft snack to eat since, you know, the lack of chompers and all. Also, I got a fruit gummy candy assortment, and these are like almost like a marshmallow treat with like a little drop of fruit jelly inside. They're pretty good. Okay, and then also we picked out some mixed berry fruit tarts. Looks like there's 6 of them in here. So that'll last a while. Then also some gardacelli. I never know how to say it correctly. Anyway, some salted caramel dark chocolate. The wife picked this out. Got a chihuahua over here sniffing all the snacks. I picked out some Delzia hazelnut cream pastry. These are cream-filled puff pastry. I've had these before. One of these once came in a Universal Yums box, and I loved it. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah. I'm for it. I am for it. Okay, also, oh, I didn't notice that she got these. The wife picked out some mini Stroop waffles. Looks like that she got the caramel ones. So those are going to be enjoyed, I'm sure. And then I got myself a fall collection. These are different truffles with different fall flavors, such as pumpkin and spiced apple and stuff like that. So I'll probably do a video tasting the different flavors of this. And then last but not least is the wife picked out a sweet seasoned bacon jerky snacky meat stick kind of situation. So World Market, I'll put a link below to World Market's website. I believe they have locations across the country as far as I know. So if you're not familiar with them, check out their website. I do believe they also sell on their website, so you can just purchase from the website if they don't have a location that is near you. But yeah, we got plenty of snacks and then a couple savory items for dinner. If you have ever shopped at World Market, let me know when the last time you went to World Market was. If you've never been, let me know that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.